Hello!
Hi!
Welcome back to Tokki Fairy Travels. We're going to show you all of the things, all the other things that we got in Japan and in other places. So far, we went to Akihabara, Pokemon Center, Nintendo Store, Universal, but we also did some shopping on the side during our last day, and we cannot wait to show you.
Yes.
Yes.
So, for the final luggage unboxing, we actually have my Starbucks bag, which I got in Korea.
Yes.
So that's not the special thing, but what was inside of this backpack is what we purchased along our way. And we'll start with our trip to Asakusa.
Yes. So Asakusa, we were there briefly, but we went there to do a little bit, I guess, eating, shopping, and the rickshaw ride, which I highly recommend you do. Our rickshaw ride driver, I think her name was Natsumi, was the best tour guide that we could
Absolutely.
ever imagine. She was so much fun. She gave us a lot of background about Asakusa and the festival that was happening there that weekend. And she tried to make it very personal for us too, trying to get to know us, took amazing pictures. If you're ever in Asakusa, highly recommend the rickshaw rides.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It was raining while we were there, so I felt a little uncomfortable having someone ride us around the city, but like she was a pro,
Yes.
and it was just such an incredible experience. Like
Yes.
something I never even imagined doing, but it was totally worth it.
Yes.
Yeah.
But before that, we did do some shopping. We got this mask. This is a cat, a cat mask from Asakusa.
It reminded us of the Demon Slayer masks.
Oh,
that,
yes.
That Tanjiro had. His was a fox, but we, my wife likes cats,
Yes.
so we thought let's get a cat mask.
And we also got some toys. There was this one, and we got this top.
Yes. And these are, I don't know the history around these games, but I believe these are like children's games that Japanese kids would play with. When I was younger, we actually had one of these, and the goal is to stick the wooden ball on all of the sides and get it to stick on top. And it's extremely frustrating sometimes, but it's also, kind of fun. Let's see if I can do it.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, let's try. Third time.
Third time's charm. Oh.
Don't crush the mask.
Don't break things. Oh, you almost got it.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Oh, too
Oh.
far.
Oh.
I saw it go that way.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh,
There
you
we
got
go.
it! Yay!
Okay, so much fun.
Yes. And then we got this top, which we haven't played with yet.
Because we have no skill.
Yes.
With the top, you're supposed to wrap the string around the top and then pull the string really fast to make the top spin on the ground.
Yes, we will not play it here, but we'll show you what it looks like at least.
So these are just some things that more like memorabilia. The original fidget gadget spinner thing.
Yes. And we also got some magnets because whenever I travel, I like to get magnets from the place wherever I go to or where we go to. And I got one of these for my mom. I haven't decided which one to give her yet, but they're really cute.
Let us know in the comment section.
Yes.
Which one should we give to her mom?
Yes,
Your mom.
my mom. And the other things we got were just some beauty things.
Cosmetics.
Cosmetic. This is perfume that you can just, I haven't opened up yet.
That's
yeah,
perfume?
It's perfume. Yes, it's perfume. So it's kind of like a chapstick in a way. Yes, I think so.
Oh,
so you
wow.
take your finger and then rub it wherever you want.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, so I got one for me and my mother. So I thought that was really cool. And this is just body cream as well in this weird tube. But I
It
thought,
looks like a milk carton.
yes, it does. But I thought this was really unique. This is something I've never seen here in Korea or in the States. So yeah, I'm sure my mother would like those things. And I think that's pretty much it.
So yeah, our trip to Asakusa was really awesome. Going back to the rickshaw, our driver, Natsumi, she actually reminded us that in the Demon Slayer series, Asakusa is where Tanjiro first meets Muzan.
Oh yes, that's right.
So
yes.
we were like, oh my gosh, our driver is so awesome.
Yes.
And like every time like she kept talking to us about the recommended places to eat at and the festival and the history behind the festival, like it was incredible.
Yes. If you like I said, if you are in Asakusa and you want to do a rickshaw ride, we'll leave the link down below where we got our reservation from kkday. So if you're interested, check out the link.
Yeah. Okay,
moving on to the next one, which I believe is all the things we got in Shibuya. Shibuya is known for Hachiko, the Hachiko statue, which we went to go see, and the Shibuya Scramble. But in Shibuya, we went to a place called Loft where you can get a lot of accessories, gifts. It's just this amazing store with everything you can find for anyone, for yourself, for your friends, family. So I got a fan, some socks from the Busy World, which is one of the cartoons I used to watch while growing up.
Yeah, Richard Scarry's stories. Oh,
yes. So that made me very, very happy. And they also have some really unique cards. This folds into those things that the dividers that you can go behind and change your clothes. But it's really pretty. So
yeah, maybe this will help a little bit.
Yeah,
sure.
a partition. It folds into a partition.
Yeah, like a mini partition card.
But they have really unique, cool pop-up cards in Loft.
When I went to Loft, I was not really interested in those. I instead bought a ton of pens.
Because in Japan, you can find really good quality pens.
Yes. So they had like the jet pens, Uniball. My students actually recommended the Kurutoga mechanical pencil. And as a writer, I always am looking for like something that's very comfortable for me to use when writing and notebooking and scrapping and everything. And then as a teacher, I just had to get some different colored pens for grading, and I'm super excited. Like they feel so smooth. So for me, it's not about the accessories and the Japanese culture. It's the pens.
Yes.
But our shopping didn't end there.
Yes.
When we got to the airport, we had a lot of time to kill, which meant a lot more shopping.
Yes, a lot.
So at the airport, we actually visited Starbucks, and we got
a Starbucks teddy bear in a kimono. I've always wanted a Starbucks teddy bear, and when I saw the ones in Japan, I couldn't resist, even though it was expensive. But I'm probably never going to buy another Starbucks teddy bear again, so why not?
Yes. And while there was another teddy bear that you could buy, like kind of as like a couple set, I went a different route, and I chose to get a Starbucks mug.
Yes, and this is from the Been There series.
From the Been There series. It's the Tokyo mug. Why is there a panda? I don't know. But when we went to the States to visit my family after our wedding, I got a Missouri mug from the Been There series. We have tons of Starbucks mugs from Korea, and now I can add to the collection with a Starbucks mug from Japan. So I'm super excited.
Yes.
So Starbucks was a nice place to visit, but we also got more souvenirs.
Yes, a few more souvenirs. This, I guess, is another paper display of a Maiko. And we also got, a doll. A
wooden doll.
A wooden doll. Which I think you can find all over Japan, and again, this is one of the things I've always wanted. So there's that. And
and
there was another cospa in the airport.
Yes.
So we didn't get cosplay, but we got some merch.
And in Japan, something they always do is they'll put tape on all of your bags, so then you're not able to actually open it.
Yes,
but
like
also,
security tape.
Yeah, but it's also, used as security. And we got a Capsule Core shirt, Dragon Ball, which is super awesome. I love the design. Okay, here you go. And a Ultra Instinct Goku t-shirt, which is just amazing. I like the feel of the fabric as well, so I can't wait to put this on and show off Ultra Instinct Goku.
Yes.
So apparently at the store they said that each store has their own exclusive merchandise. The one in the airport had a Vegeta shirt that looked, it was so awesome. But I asked the store clerk, and they said they were sold out. So it was a little disappointing. But getting the Dragon Ball shirts kind of capped off the entire trip.
Yes.
Because we didn't get a lot of Dragon Ball things. So it was nice to get our own souvenirs before we left.
Yes.
Yeah. But that's basically the entire trip in Japan. So it was 5 days, and we made 5 videos to kind of show what we did in Japan, and hopefully help you with some of the ideas if you ever travel to Japan. We hope that the videos were helpful.
Yes.
So please comment below your thoughts. I know this is a different type of series than we've done in the past, but hopefully it's something that we can grow from and learn. So thanks so much for watching. This is the final video, so if you haven't already seen the others, we went to so many different places in Osaka and Tokyo, and hopefully we'll go again maybe this year, or maybe we'll see.
We'll see.
But we hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like and do all those great things to support the channel. And I guess until next time, we will see you again later.
Yes.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for stopping by.